Dominic Herrera. I've been with Excel Roofing since 2011. I'm the production manager here, and some of the things that I handle are scheduling with the project managers and assigning a roofing crew to the project manager and to the job, and getting them out there and making sure that the job goes smoothly and successfully and everything gets done in a timely manner. If there's any corrections, I like to go out there and meet with the homeowner and introduce myself and try to problem solve any kind of corrections that need to be done and get them done as soon as possible. A lot of things I do here in the office is help with permits or do other things, kind of an all-around person, getting to know what needs to be done and just get it done as soon as possible. Please feel free to reach out to Excel Roofing with any of your roofing needs. We go out, we get free inspections, we show up on time, we do quality work, and it's one of the best and most rewarding companies I've ever worked for. And I look forward to many more years working with you, the customer, and also with Excel Roofing. Thank you.